Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
So because we already uploaded our first ever video in our YouTube channel, so we need to set up also the YouTube thumbnail. So I will be explaining about how important is YouTube thumbnail in our next video. But for now, let us set up that first. So we will be needing two applications in Google Play Store, such as Remove BG, Remove.bg, as well as PixArt. So in my case, I have already downloaded both the applications. I'm gonna open first the Remove.bg to remove the background of my picture which I want to use in my YouTube thumbnail. So upload image, and then I'm going to select this picture which I want to remove the background. And after removing, I will not be changing the background here. I will be doing it in the PixArt. So for this, I will click download. So to be sure, let's screenshot this. So next, let's go to the PixArt. We'll make it sure that our YouTube thumbnail is really that great, that awesome, right? So I will be using white background, and then I'll select add photo, and I will select this. And because there's still white here, so I'm gonna crop this into like this, that one and that one. Okay. Then I'm gonna be putting text, YouTube journey. It's quite big, so let's adjust this. already satisfied with this, so I'm gonna click okay, save. So going back to my YouTube video, go to channel, would complete. So cannot be seen yet in the public because it is unlisted, and you will know it is unlisted because of this
Hello.
sign here. So if we want to edit that, let's go to Chrome Beta. We'll always go to Google Chrome if we want to edit our uploaded videos. Chrome Beta or Google Chrome, which one you would like to use. So let's go to upload, this one. So let's click the pencil, and this is what we will be So welcome video for my YouTube channel, intro for my YouTube channel. So we already set that up. So here, YouTube thumbnail, upload thumbnail. Maybe I'll use that. Okay, so we already have that, and click save.